Dear students, we are learning about different types of natural vegetation found in India. We learned about tropical evergreen forest. Today, we can learn about tropical deciduous forest, which is also known as monsoon forest. India is a vast country with various climatic and physical divisions. Then also the most important vegetation found in India is monsoon forest. It is a typical type of forest belonging to the tropical monsoon climate of India. This forest is mainly related with the availability of monsoon rainfall and can be categorized into moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. We will not give much importance to these categories. We will learn it as a single unit. Let us check what are the climatic conditions existing here. The annual rainfall amount is 100 to 200 centimeter. Annual mean temperature is 24 to 27 degrees Celsius and average humidity is 50 to 80 percentage. These forests we can find in the foothills of Himalayas up to the southern peninsula. So other division is northeastern part of peninsular India and eastern slopes of western Ghats. Major trees found here are sal, teak, arjun, shisham, ahua and sandalwood. Characteristic features of this type of vegetation are: the trees in this forest shed their leaves from 6 to 8 weeks during spring and early summer when the shortage of water is acute. Here, after the monsoon season, when the regions experiencing a dry condition, they start to shed their leaves because through the transpiration, leaves lead to loss of water. So that is an adaptable feature for the tropical deciduous trees. And these trees are found in a large area, means a single species of trees are found in a large area. They are not much dense. The trees found in this forest are hardwood trees and they are also have broad leaves like the evergreen trees. Trees in monsoon forest shed their leaves during spring and early summer because these forests are located in the moderate rainfall region. The subsoil water is not enough for the trees to keep their leaves all the year round. Thus, they shed their leaves when the storage of water is acute. In the moist deciduous forest region, different trees shed their leaves in different periods. Because of that, they do not look bare, they always look green. During the dry season, in the dry deciduous forest region, the trees shed their leaves completely and give the forest a look of vast grassland with naked trees. The tropical deciduous forests are commercially most exploited forests in India. Its reasons are: they are found in pure stands. That means a single species of trees found in a large area. So collection of trees are very easy for the exploiters. Tropical deciduous forests provide valuable timber and many other products. Trees like sal, teak, arjun, shisham, mahua, etc. provide hardwood trees which can be used for furniture. Sandalwood, which is popularly found in the Karnataka state, it provide sandalwood oil. It is having a high demand in India and abroad. It is also used for manufacturing many handicraft items also. And it is not much dense. Because of that, the accessibility to the forest is very easy. So this forest is exploited by the most population in India. So exploitation is not only for the collection of timber or other products. The deforestation is taking place there for the agricultural activities as the soil is very fertile. Now it's time to check what we have learned from this video. So we learned about the climatic conditions, areas, types and characteristics of the vegetation, and major trees found in the monsoon or tropical deciduous forest, and why this forest is commercially exploited. So in this time, means in this year, we have to study only the names of the trees. Previous years and all we are studying the uses of the trees also. Now it is exempted from the syllabus. So learn and try to find these answers. In India, there are some regions which receives less amount of rainfall. In those regions, tropical desert forest thrives. Tropical evergreen forest present in the heavy rainfall region, monsoon forest found in moderate rainfall region, and low rainfall region has the presence of tropical desert forest. Now we can study about it. Tropical desert forest, tropical thorn forest are found in southwestern Punjab, central and eastern Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, northern parts of Gujarat, as well as in the central part of Deccan Plateau. So as we know, these places are located in the interior. So the amount of rainfall receiving by the region is less, and due to that there will be some large patches of coarse grasses. In between we can find the presence of some trees. Climatic conditions existing in tropical desert forests are annual rainfall less than 50 centimeter, mean annual temperature 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, humidity below 47%. Main characteristics of the vegetation are these forests have xerophytic vegetation. Xerophytic vegetation means they are adapted to the dry condition or drought condition of that region. As the desert region is having paucity of rainfall, they have xerophytic vegetation. Here the trees are stunted, means they are short in height. Some trees have long tap roots to reach deep underground water resources. So these tap roots that will help the absorption of water from the underground. Some trees have long thorns instead of leaves to reduce loss of water through transpiration. In desert condition, rainfall is less, temperature is high. In such situation, during photosynthesis, more water is losing from the trees. So instead of leaves, the desert forest have the presence of thorns. And some trees they have very small leaves, and some leaves they have waxy surface or hairy surface to reduce the evapotranspiration. That means loss of the water through this transpiration can be reduced by such adaptations. Main trees found here are varieties of acacias, babul, an Indian variety of acacia, bird, gare, neem. All these are major trees found there. These trees, they are used by the natives as fodder for the animals, and many trees have medicinal purpose like neem, and they provide timber for people to build their houses, and the leaves and branches of these trees they are using for thatching their houses. So that's about a thorn forest or desert forest.